This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 31, Motivating Oneself. Motivation is a driving force that guides our actions and behaviors involving direction, effort, and persistence towards goal attainment. However, barriers or obstacles may prevent us from achieving our goals, leading to frustration and the need to cope or pursue substitute goals. Motivation varies across individuals and is influenced by factors such as the desire for achievement, reputation, and self-actualization. While some motivational theories focus on needs and desires, others explain the process of how motivation drives behavior through concepts like equity, expectancy, and goal setting. Self-motivation arises from within, enabling us to set goals and find ways to achieve them without relying on external rewards. The key to success lies in knowing oneself, establishing a clear vision, and cultivating an extraordinary mindset aligned with our passions and competencies. To stay motivated, conduct SWOT analysis to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Pursuing research or any goal requires qualifications, skills, and resilience to overcome weaknesses and seize opportunities that arise. Motivation has both psychological and biochemical aspects influenced by brain chemistry. Low dopamine levels can hinder motivation, but engaging in activities like exercise, pursuing hobbies, and maintaining a positive mindset can naturally boost dopamine and enhance motivation. Perseverance and determination are essential for sustained motivation. By setting achievable goals, taking action, and continuously improving through feedback loops, we can overcome obstacles and realize our life's purpose, as exemplified by the inspiring story of the individual who built a world-class hotel from humble beginnings. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.